Respect in a man's life is a very serious matter, and many men would rather face great challenges than endure continued disrespect. Yet, a significant number of men remain uncertain about how to truly earn respect. Today, we'll explore 6 powerful ways to gain respect from anyone. And be sure to stay until the end because the final one might just be the most crucial piece of the puzzle. 1. Force respect. You've gotta force respect. Asking or begging for it will not cut it. Some people might argue it's wrong, but that's just because they don't get what it really means. Let me tell you a story. There was this man who came from the streets of Birmingham. He didn't come from wealth or a fancy background, but boy, was he a force to be reckoned with. He was tough as nails, and his street smarts were unmatched. His name was Tommy Shelby. Back when he wasn't well known, he faced a lot of disrespect and mockery from others. The haters kept underestimating him, and they thought he would never amount to anything. But you know what he did? He kept proving them wrong, time and time again, with his cunning mind and fearless attitude. He had this crew, and together they took on the toughest challenges. People tried to bring him down, but he just kept rising, like a phoenix from the ashes. Slowly, you could see the haters' remarks becoming less and less. They couldn't deny his capabilities anymore. He became a legend in the underworld, and those who once mocked him now feared and admired him. They pretended they never doubted him in the first place. Why? Because he forced people to respect him. He made them respect him by outsmarting and outmaneuvering his rivals, by gaining control and influence in the streets. If you want respect, you've got to show the world you're undeniably skilled and dominant, just like Tommy Shelby. That's how you make them respect you.
We came here not to make enemies. We came here to make new friends.
2. Take up space. Some may criticize this as toxic, but the reality remains unchanged. We possess an inherent capacity to occupy space and the undeniable right to do so. As we navigate the world, our physical and psychological presence leaves an impact. Despite this, numerous individuals feel hesitant about taking up space, questioning their worthiness and feeling compelled to minimize themselves. Certain life experiences, like being repeatedly shut down, can contribute to this perception. However, taking up space is not a matter of asserting dominance. Rather, it's a powerful statement of fearlessly expressing oneself. Walk with confidence, stand tall, and don't make yourself small to please others. Some may perceive this as selfish, but it actually demonstrates strength and self-assurance. For many men, it comes naturally, as seen when they sit with their legs open. If you're a man who believes it's selfish, you can go and sit with your legs tightly closed together, compromising your masculinity. However, if you wish to command respect, embrace your presence and let it be known. 3. Don't apologize just to avoid conflict. Avoid apologizing just to dodge conflict. Acknowledge when you're wrong, but don't fake apologies. Some say it's a feminine trait, always saying sorry to avoid hurting others. But if you apologize for everything, your apologies lose meaning. True confidence means being honest, even when it's not in your favor. Stand for your beliefs without unnecessary apologies. Apologizing excessively shows lack of confidence, and it can lead to mistreatment or abuse.
Because we fucking can, and if we can, we do. We lift our heel off their necks now, they'll just come at us.
Thomas Shelby's refusal to apologize reflects his unyielding determination and devotion to his family's welfare. He navigates the treacherous world of organized crime with a fearless attitude, knowing that showing remorse for his decisions might be perceived as weakness by his adversaries. This moment showcases the importance of not apologizing needlessly, especially when defending what's valuable to you. Thomas's unwavering commitment to his principles and his unapologetic nature earns him the respect of his allies and instills fear in his enemies. It serves as a powerful example of how staying true to oneself and unapologetically pursuing what matters most can command genuine respect and authority. 4. Respect others. Only a weak man remains oblivious to the significance of respecting others, and sooner or later, reality will hit hard. To gain respect, you must understand the art of granting it. Learn how to converse with different people, whether they are an executive member of a company, a janitor, or a waiter. Using condescending language might unknowingly ignite their anger, and you will lose their respect. Express gratitude when others do something for you, and maintain eye contact while communicating. Showing fundamental human respect to everyone is non-negotiable. Only then can you expect to receive the same treatment. When you encounter another man, acknowledge him with a nod during eye contact. Men often do this instinctively, acknowledging the underlying potential for tension or conflict. However, in today's world, our human instincts are being numbed, which is why it's crucial for you to understand this.
You crossed the line, Alfie.
You fucking
You crossed the line. The line.
5. Attain power. Power commands respect, and its effectiveness lies in its consistency. It's not a one-time strategy to persuade others. Instead, it demands discipline and constant self-improvement. Power manifests in various forms, from influencing people to being physically capable. The key is to attain and maintain power consistently to earn the respect of others. Strive to become the best version of yourself, strong in all aspects of life. Remember, worthwhile endeavors are never easy.
You have nothing more to say to this meeting, Thomas?
No, nothing that's women's business.
6. Respect yourself. It all begins with respecting yourself. Know your values and stay true to yourself, even when others try to push you in different directions. Put yourself first. Respect yourself. The foundation of self-respect lies in knowing your values and living by them. When you take time to focus on your core beliefs and make them a part of your life, you'll naturally show self-respect. What's more is that it'll shape how others treat you too. They'll be more respectful towards you. But hey, don't ever let anyone change your values just because they want you to agree with them. Be honest and be true to yourself no matter what others say or do. You know how to gain respect in 6 distinct approaches: through forcing it with undeniable skill, being unapologetically authentic, asserting your presence, showing respect, attaining constant power, and respecting yourself. Adopting these values can help you become a man who commands complete respect. Let that respect be your devoted companion. Until we meet again.